Wait! It's raining outside. Oh no, I forgot my umbrella.
Don't worry, take mine.
Thanks, Dad. You're the best.
And take your jacket too.
Okay, Mom. I'm ready.
Is everyone ready now?
Yes, let's go.
Is everyone ready now?
Yes, let's go.
Where are we going today?
We're going to the supermarket.
Great! I want to buy some chocolate.
First, we need vegetables and fruit.
Okay. Can we buy ice cream too?
If you're a good helper, yes.
I will help you. Wow, it's getting heavier.
Stay close to us.
Be careful, the ground is wet.
Don't worry, I'm walking slowly.
Everyone, get in the car.
Did you lock the front door?
Yes, I did.
I can't wait to go shopping.
Let's enjoy our rainy day.
Ready?
Ready?
Let's go!
Dad, are we almost there?
Not yet, just a few more minutes.
Look at the beautiful rain.
It's so relaxing.
I love driving on rainy days.
Me too, but we must drive carefully.
I can see the supermarket.
Yes, we're here.
Great! Let's buy everything on our list.
And don't forget my chocolate.
If you help us, you can choose one chocolate.
I promise I'll help.
That's my good girl.
Let's park the car.
I can't wait to go inside.
Take your umbrella, it's still raining. Come on, let's go shopping together.
Let's go! Have fun, everyone!